Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about the structure of sodium chloride crystal. The most common type of crystal structure is the sodium chloride structure. We know that sodium chloride or NaCl is an ionic crystal where sodium ions, sodium Na plus ions and chlorine ions were arranged alternatively in a cubic pattern so that the electrostatic force of attraction between the opposite kind, that is sodium plus and Cl minus, and the repulsion between the same ions, that is repulsion between the chlorine or sodium ions, will be balanced so that the crystal will be in a stable or equilibrium state. Here the figure on the left side shows the arrangement of sodium ions or the sodium atoms and chlorine atoms within the unit cell of NaCl crystal. The bigger atoms represents the chlorine and the darker and smaller represents the sodium atoms. The right side figure represents the unit cell, one unit cell of NaCl crystal. Now observe here, the sodium and chlorine atoms occupy the alternative positions within the cubic unit cell. From the figure, it is clear that sodium plus ions are situated at the corners as well as the centers of the faces of the cube. Now observe here, sodium atoms are occupied at the 8 corners as well as the 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th one, 6. So 8 atoms at the 8 corners, 6 atoms at the center of 6 faces. So the sodium ions constitutes an FCC lattice. Similarly, if we consider only chlorine ions, here what we have done is we considered only the sodium ions. If we treat the structure consists of, or the unit cell consists of only sodium ions, then that resembles an FCC lattice. Similarly, if we consider only the chlorine ions, again it resembles FCC lattice because 8 chlorine ions at the 8 corners and 6 chlorine ions at the centers of 6 faces will be occupied. But this chlorine FCC lattice is relatively displaced off the edge of the lattice along each axis. Now observe here, we can treat the sodium atoms constituting an FCC lattice and chlorine atoms constituting another FCC lattice, but they are relatively displaced by a length equal to half the length of the unit cell. If you take the length of the unit cell as equal to A, then A by 2. Here also A by 2, here also A by 2. The unit cell of FCC, I mean chlorine, is relatively displaced by a distance equal to half the length of the edge. So we can treat the NaCl crystal as an interpretation of two FCC sublattices, one composed of cations, that is sodium ions, and the other composed of anions or chloride ions, exactly at off the edge of the lattice along each axis. So we can conclude that the Bravais lattice of NaCl crystal is face-centered cubic. Suppose if we take NaCl as a single unit, then we get the structure of the crystal as equivalent to simple cubic, but that is not exactly matching with the experimental results. So we treat this NaCl as superposition or the interpenetration of two FCC sublattices. Therefore, the structure Bravais lattice of NaCl's crystal is a face-centered cubic. The unit cell of NaCl crystal contains 4 sodium ions and 4 chlorine ions. Therefore, the unit cell contains 4 NaCl molecules. Each unit cell contains 4 NaCl molecules. The basis consists of one cation, that is sodium, and one anion, that is chloride ion. The separation between the basis partners is half the length of the body diagonal of units cube. Each atom has its nearest neighbor 6 atoms of opposite kind. Hence, the coordination number of NaCl is 6. That is, if you consider one, say, sodium atom, it is surrounded by 6 chloride ions. Similarly, if you consider one chloride atom, it is surrounded by 6 sodium ions. So, the coordination number of NaCl is equal to 6. Let us find the coordinates of Na plus ions and Cl minus ions. The corner occupied by Na plus ion is treated as the origin, and the coordinates of the remaining sodium ions in the unit cubic cell are expressed in terms of the lattice constant A. Now, this is the origin. Let us say this origin is occupied by sodium atoms. Here is a typing error. Sodium atoms. So, the first sodium atom has the coordinate 0, 0, 0. Enter here. The second sodium atom. Now, observe the diagram. Totally, we have 4 sodium atoms which are occupied in the alternative positions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let us mark the coordinates of these 4 atoms. 0, 0, 0. A by 2, A by 2, 0. Identify this one. This is the second atom. It has the coordinates A by 2, A by 2, 0. The third atom has the coordinates A by 2, 0, A by 2. This is the third sodium atom having the coordinates of 0, A by 1 by 2, or we can also write it as A by 2, 0, A by 2. The last one, fourth atom, 0, A by 2, A by 2. Similarly, we can find the coordinates of chlorine atoms. We have 4 chlorine atoms. Let us start with here. This is the first atom, has the coordinates of, or we can also write it as A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. The second one, 0, 0, A by 2. This is the second atom, 0, 0, A by 2 or 1 by 2. The third chlorine atom, 0, A by 2, 0. And fourth chlorine atom, A by 2, 0, 0. These are the coordinates of the sodium ions and the chloride ions in a lattice. This is not only the method. In some books, instead of sodium atom, chlorine atom is assumed to be at the origin. If we take that, then simply the positions are interchanged. You can write the coordinates either treating the sodium atom at the origin or chlorine atom at the origin. The alkali halides that crystallize in this fashion are, that is, which crystallize into FCC lattice are KCl, KBr, AgBr, and oxides having this structure are MgO, MnO, magnesium oxide, manganese oxide, barium oxide, and FeO. These are the some of the typical examples which crystallizes into FCC lattice, similar to that of NaCl crystal. This is about the structure of NaCl crystal.